In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a rectangle here in Canva. Now, there's a few different ways that we can do this, but first off, we want to come up to Elements over here on the left-hand side. Then, once we're on here, we simply want to come to the search bar up the top and type in rectangle, then click Enter. Now from here, we're going to have a few different options. The first option is by using shapes. So if we look here, we have a square. In shapes, they don't actually have a rectangle, they only have squares. But if we click on there, we can then click onto the side, pull out, and turn into a rectangle. Now we have a few options when playing around with this as well. We can enter text just here, just like that, if we choose to. We can also add a border on this as well, and play around with different border styles and make thicker and change colour as well. And we can even change the colour of this rectangle to any colour here in the solid colours, the gradients, and or any colour that we have the hex code of. Now that's one way to create a rectangle. Another way is by using graphics. So if we click on See All, we're going to have all of these different options which we can choose from. If we click on there, some of these we can also add a border by doing this the same way, and we can also change colours. And some of them we can't do that at all. So if we click on this one we can't actually change the colour. Now if we go back by just clearing this, and if we just quickly put rectangle back, we also have a lot of different options with frames, photos, and videos as well. But nonetheless, that's how easy it is to make a rectangle here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.